Welcome to Love and Money Secrets TV, and I'm your host, Dame Lillian Walker. And today we are going to be converting your existing music that is recorded at 440 hertz frequency down to the resonant 430 hertz frequency, which has healing properties for your entire body and which is in line with the Schumann resonance frequency of the earth. So on a side note, I wanted to let you know that for each and every person who books a session with me or who buys any of my programs, I want you to know that you are making a big impact in the world, because not only are you healing yourself, my friend, you are also scholarshipping another individual who is not as fortunate as you and who cannot afford to pay for those sessions. I try to do as much as I can in terms of free content, free programs, free healings to anyone who needs this, including this video that has been brought to you by NLPpower.com as of the time of this recording. So thank you for tuning in, tapping in, turning on, and without further ado, let's get started. Step 1, you're going to go to the description below and you're going to click on the link for the free conversion tool. Step number 2, you're going to choose your file. You're going to go to the location in your computer where you have your files that are saved. This will convert WAV files, in other words, .wav files, as well as .mp3 files. This is a WAV file, and you simply click Choose for Upload. You will next witness under Local File the name of the file that you have uploaded. Step 3, you're going to go to your options in the blue box below. You're going to notice it has auto-populated 440 hertz, which is the exact frequency of your existing recording, and how we are converting it to the actual 432 hertz frequency, which is aligned with the Schumann resonance frequency of the earth, and it is part of the healing frequencies as opposed to the dissonant frequencies, which are disturbing and causing dis-ease in the body. You're next going to look in the audio format, your MP3. You're going to select that format and select Algorithm 1. Quite frankly, I've never tried Algorithm 2, so I don't know what the outcome is if you select Algorithm 2. So let's just stick with Algorithm 1 for now. Agreed? Next, you're going to click Start Conversion, which is I think it's your third or your fourth step. And you're going to notice, if you look at the top of your page here, you're going to see the blue bar that shows that you are uploading. One thing to note is that I am on a Mac computer and I am doing this particular recording on Safari, so it is a Mojave iOS. You can do this also on Chrome, but as of this recording, we are doing this on a Mac iOS, and it is with Mojave on the Safari browser. Now, because I am doing not only the conversion of this file, but I am simultaneously recording the screen of this particular activity, it takes more of my system resources. So it's going to take me a little bit longer than it will take you to do this same very action. When you do this on your computer, you will notice that it will be quicker, merely because you are doing one function as opposed to two simultaneously. So in a moment, not yet, but in just a moment, you're going to notice that this uploading will be completed, and then we will go to the processing of the video, at which point in about 30 seconds that processing will be complete, and then you will simply be able to hit the download 1 button and save it to your local computer, and presto, it is all done. So we are just about, usually in the time that it takes me to describe what I just did for you, this uploading process is complete. And just as I mentioned before, it is complete and it is now being processed. The file is currently being processed, and depending on the workload and complexity of the conversion, this can take several minutes, usually between 1 or 2. And like I said, it's taken about 30 seconds for that processing to complete. Your last step will be click download 1. You're going to allow that to your computer, and it's going to save it to your computer. And that is music, quite literally, to yours and my ears. Ah, the beautiful 432 hertz healing frequency. So thank you for tuning in, tapping in, turning on to Love and Money Secrets TV. I'm your host, Dame Lillian Walker. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe this video. I surely love and appreciate you're watching this video. You see, perfection's not required to do this, just an open heart. Thank you for tuning in, tapping in, and turning on to Love and Money Secrets TV. And as always, my friends and gems, ciao for now.